Alright, this is GappaMagix part 2 video of today, Wednesday, January 28th. Hopefully you can see that. Hold on. There. And anyway, I'm about to cross the street here to cut off the camera on me. And anyway, how I'm gonna do this now is cross the street. I think there's a deer trail somewhere over there. I'm not sure exactly where, but and anyway, it's maybe by that house on the other side of the street. That's what I'm guessing it is, because I locked my bike up to that post when I rode the bike here, or excuse me, my wife's bike. My wife to be, Miss Emar B, my bride to be, such a sweet beauty. And anyway, I had her bike locked there, and I did notice a small stepping area where a deer trail. And anyway, though, this is a print. I don't care what anyone says. That's a huge print. Put my boot next to it once. Find out what's the size here. This is a size 10. Size 10 boot. That's about the same size. When I got a mint. Anyway, now I'm just gonna walk over here. You know what? Step on that print. Okay, now I'm gonna walk over across the street. I'm gonna run. Whoa! Pure ice. I'm down on ice, baby. Great song, great tune. I was trying to say song and tune at the same time. Now I'm gonna walk up there on the crest of this house's property. That's where the deer trail is. I know it. I see prints right here. That was successful, kinda. Only one car seen me walking, and that car was a Subaru Forester, so that means they're cool. No lie. And anyway, I'm gonna take a break here. Just climbed all that in less than a minute. Do-do-do. Okay. I'm gonna try to walk up. I don't care if I'm walking in someone's backyard or not. That's too much of a up and down gully. Keep going in and out with no real path. Slip and fall. It had that happen once. Not in this state. Here's a path. Okay, I'll do it then. And not in this state, but somewhere else. Snowboarding off the path on a ski resort. If it wasn't for my training, I would have died and frozen to death in a chasm. Or, how you say, stuck in really deep snow. No, I'm not sick. It's just cold out. That's why I got that mint. No, nothing on my nose. Oh my god, is this a put? Hold on. No, it's not. It's still growing. For that, I'm gonna step over it. Okay. Now, here we are. This is not a put, but it's naturally broken how it is. Just smelling to see if that smell stink. Remember how I told you how to walk? On the side of your boot. You can only do it so long though. It does hurt your side little toe slightly. Okay, there's chaos right here. I see stuff being built. I don't know if the people upstairs did it. This was once something. Oh my god. Yeah, this is something. I see steps and railing. This is all something once. Huh. Wonder when that ceased to be. That was me breaking that for Sasquatch and deer purposes, doing them a solid. Now, this looks like it wants to just been something where people come and sit, hang out right here for a little bit. Huh. I see something. Little treasure trove right there. There's a bucket under there. The thing used those buckets to put stuff in. That's why there was the Halloween bucket near the sewer drain covered. Now, we don't know if it came out of the sewer drain cover or not, but here, I'm going to list, since I'm talking about that right now, I'm going to list a quick hypotenuse. And that is, what I'm about to say is there's a sewer drain opening, 6-foot opening, 8-foot opening by the river. Now, when the river freezes, hypothetically, if there's bipedal humanoid creature that chooses to walk across the river and go in there, it could. That's all I'm going to say. What is it? Look what it says. It says roses for everyone. This is an old bucket. It's like pot metal, tin. Hold on here. I'm not. Go up higher right here. Use this tree. This is proper right here. I'll teach you a thing. If there's a situation like that, you know you could fall. You use a tree like this. If there is one handy, kind of lean on it. Kind of lean on it. Help you get across there. And then I see something over here. Abnormal tree pattern. What's this? Oh yeah, this is something. I don't know what that type of print is. That tree looks awkward. There's stuff right there, put there. Next to it. Fence right here. I don't know if that's piping. Huh. Keep to the trail. Keep code too. Keep your hands altering sometimes so they don't get numb fingers. Look at this. This is like thrown right here. Watch this. If I move it a little bit. If I move it a little bit, oh no. That's if it did it. Here's a spot where it sit. Felt like it was a good idea to sit right here. Let me take a good look at that. That could easily be butt print. Is this my print? I don't think so. Hold up. No. See, someone's been up here. What's this? What is this? It's like it's covered. This is dwelling stuff right here. This is a piece of, this is man-made item that something. I don't know what it is. A little block. It is, hey, it is National Lego Day. January 28th. All over the world. Here's another Lego. Hey, these, it has to be worth money or something. I mean, just selling this thing has to be worth like 10 bucks. I'm pretty sure of it. Because of the time and skill it would be to make it. Basically, it's like a huge paperweight. So there's two of those paperweights, or Legos. There's a lot of trees that look like they got pushed over. This is my opinion. Right here, like ripped out of the ground. Or twisted off. Pretty sure twisted off is a better idea because it needs to have a clear path right here. Just a hunch. But when I say it's just a hunch, it means a hypothesis. That tree is about to die, and I am standing within falling ground territory, and I have no choice but to walk past it. Part of it already did is hanging right here. See if we make it fall. Nope, not gonna fall. Whoa! Right there. Stuff under the snow, that's how you twist the ankle. Hey, someone put time and effort and money right there. That's big money buying railroad track wood. That's the wood that they used to put underneath the railroad. Those big old thugs of wood or logs. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which the best way to keep going. I think I'm going to stay on this path here. But there's a better one down here. I guess I'll go down here. This is larger prints. Looks like they told the deer to come up here. From what I read too in the forums, sometimes they can pick the deer up and kind of just hold the deer and kind of sometimes put the front down. I don't even know how to explain what I'm saying, but I read it's a better sentence. You just type in forum and Bigfoot tendencies or habits of Bigfoot, Sasquatch, or bipedal humanoid do. Seen that over there at the other part past the part where I snowboard, the other side of the hill on 8th Street Hill. It built a little cluster of plants with that material. This is a hollow tree, and it is too. Surprised it's somehow standing. See, put the phone inside there once. Now who's who about creativity. And anyway, I'm coming up onto that part. There's a gully over here between the high hill and the Harmon Street Hill. Now where you see me next to the street there, that's the Center Street Hill part. There's the high hill, and then the Harmon Hill. The Harmon Hill is the one that is between the high hill and the street part of